Hello guys, so finally our device is here. It's Alldocube iplay40pro. So this one I ordered from Alldocube official store from Lazada. If you want to buy the same, you can find the link in this video below, right? So this one I bought it around 7,150 Thai baht in USD, which is around not more than 220 US dollars, right? And they have given like a lot of free stuff, so I'm going to open and check it, like what they have given. They are going to offer like free gifts. In that we have Type-C to 3.5 mm, the OTG connector, the case, the holder, keyboard, film, right? So there are many things, so we are going to check it out. We are going to check and review. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, also this channel Cam Explorer, right? Let's unbox it and let's check it, like what we have got, right? Let's go. Guys, this is what we have got. Now I'm going to open its seal and let's check together that what is inside, right? This is how it looks like when you get this parcel, right? The stuff we have got from Alldocube. Wow, kind of nice packing, right? So this is everything they have packed like this. We will explore this device and we will see gift items they have given us for free. Let's go and let's check it together. We have got this one, a capacitive pen, right? Okay, I'll check it later. This is what we have, a holder, right? A phone holder, and this one Type-C to 3.5 mm. And this one our Type-C to USB connector. Wow, I just love it. This is a Bluetooth keyboard that they have given for free. Okay, a part of that, wow, the leather case. This is the leather case that they have given, so we will check it, like how does it look like. Check it, like nice. Wow, it's quite big. Nice. So this is the leather case that they have given with the device, and a part of that, finally we have our device here, Alldocube iplay40pro. So let's see the box. So in the box there is nothing here, there is just let's see. Oh, okay, here it's everything, right? It's iPlay Pro, ROM 256 GB. It's black color. This is the serial number, tablet PC. And here we have, it is from Shenzhen Alldocube Technology and Science CO Ltd, right? In the box there is nothing much, just a Alldocube iPlay Pro, right? 256 GB and black color. So let's open our box and see what is inside. Wow, I'm just curious to open it, and this is my first time I'm opening in front of this video, finally. So they have given one extra film, like if you want to put it, right? So for now I'll just keep it as on the side, like here. And finally this is our device, Alldocube. Wow. Okay, this is our device, and let's see here what else we have here. Let's see what else they have given in the box. Okay, so we have one charging cable. This one, it is for like to take out your SIM card. A part of that. Okay, this one is the charger, right? Let's check the charger. It is actually 2 ampere, okay, 10 watts. So okay, we'll just check it out later. So this is what they have given here, everything. Now let's check it out, our device. We have got this Alldocube. Wow, so it's kind of very beautiful, right? Very beautiful Alldocube iPlay Pro. So let's open it for the first time. Let's open it. Wow, kind of a good screen. I'm just loving this architecture. It's just amazing, guys. So actually, like, I have never used a tablet. This is the first time I am using. Like, the first time when we open it looks like that, right? So let's check, and we will play anything and just check like how does it works. Alldocube, this is the first time. Okay, kind of fast. English, United States, start. Mobile network, I will just do it later on. Set up Wi-Fi networks, I will just do it. Okay, I will just set up a Wi-Fi network. So actually right now I just wanted to show you that this is our tab, and what we have got a charger, a cable, along with that we have a film, right, the film, and this is actually the box. Along with that we have the free this leather case, keyboard, and holder, OTG cable, and pen. So these are all the things that we have got, right? Soon I will be posting a video with the detailed review of this device, right? So guys, I hope you liked my video. So this was a simple and short unboxing video of Alldocube iplay40pro, from where I bought and in what price I have bought. So I have told you already, and you can see on my screen here as well, right? So this is all about our video for today. So soon I'll be posting a detailed review about this tab, Alldocube iplay40pro. So I'll be posting a detailed video very soon, the review video. So till that, everyone, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel, and also this channel, right, the vlog and traveling channel. So I'll see you again in the next video. So till then, thank you everyone, see you again in the next video.